Okay, I will talk about the background of the Toyota and the competitive advantage of the Toyota. Toyota is the one of the world's most successful automobile companies. It founded on August 28, 1937 by Sakichi Toyota and his son Kiichiro Toyota. Main business is the production and sale of various types of automobiles. It currently manufactures cars and trucks in 28 countries and sell them in more than 170 markets worldwide. The competitive advantage of Toyota lies in Toyota Production System (TPS). TPS is a production system based on the philosophy of completely eliminating waste and pursuing the highest efficiency in production. It's based on two pillars: the Jidongka and just-in-time. Jidongka is automation with a human touch. Its core concept is to immediately stop production once an anomaly is detected. The just-in-time is produced on demand and synchronized all production processes. The principle is to produce only the part that customer need, to prevent the stagnation of goods and information during production, and to match production speed with sales speed.
Session 2.0 Roles and Governing Factor in Firm Performance. This session explains how management role and governing factor affect a firm performance. We will look at the role of management, managerial role, and internal and external factors that influence how well Toyota Motor Corporation operates. 2.1 Role of Management. Management plays a key role in ensuring the organization achieves its goals effectively. First is planning, where top management such as the CEO, CFO, and CTO set long-term goals, mission, vision, and strategy. Second is organizing, where middle manager assign tasks, allocate resources, and coordinate departments to ensure smooth operation. Third is leading, where manager guide, motivate, and influence employees to achieve organization objectives. Last one is controlling, where performance and quality are monitored, and corrective actions are taken when deviation occurs. Effective management supports smooth operation and strong performance.
I will begin explaining the 2.2 managerial roles that affect Toyota Malaysia performance. First, interpersonal roles. In Toyota Malaysia, interpersonal role play a significant part in enabling smooth running of the company, promoting team spirit, as well as sustaining a good relationship with both employees and other external parties. For example, interpersonal role being performed in Toyota Malaysia involve manager and team leader as a figurehead, who are the company representative at official company function, employee meeting session, as well as community event. Second, informational roles. Informational roles performed in Toyota Malaysia are significant in gathering, processing, and disseminating information that improve decision-making and efficiency environment. For example, production managers are charged with the responsibility of monitoring production line in relation to efficiency, defect, and safety. Last but not least, decisional roles. The role of decision in Toyota Malaysia involve manager making decisions that influence the company's strategy, operation, and success. The role involve managers starting projects that are aimed implementation innovation in the organization. Example of such a role in Toyota Malaysia involve the production manager identifying opportunities for increasing efficiency in manufacturing by using lean manufacturing method.
Section 2.3 Governing Factor. The internal factors are fully controlled within the organization. One key internal factor is research and development, which drive innovation through hybrid vehicle, electric vehicle, and safety system. Toyota use tools such as the 5Y and PDCA cycle to improve performance. Another important internal factor is human resources management, which manage employee talent, training, and work culture. Toyota use data-driven HR to improve performance and quality, provide training in TPS, and encourage continuous improvement.
Apart from internal factors, Toyota Malaysia also face several external factors. First, competitors. Toyota Motor face a very tough competition from automaker brands including Honda, Nissan, Volkswagen, and Tesla, primarily in relation to EV, battery, hybrid, and autonomous car. All these drivers develop new and better technology and design on regular basis. But with the rapid advancement made by Tesla and other automakers, it becomes an even more pressing issue as Toyota R&D on full battery electric car remains low. Since Toyota cannot influence market strategy and development made by competing businesses, competition emerged as a critical external factor that impact Toyota businesses and R&D strategy. Second, supplier and partner collaboration. The supplier form a very big external business environment factor for Toyota Motor Corporation because Toyota Motor depends on supplier for necessary materials and components needed to make cars. Toyota Motor heavy dependence on particular main supplier that IT Steel create a big problem for it in 2016. Explosion at IT Steel production plant caused it to stop production of very important steel component. Thus, all Japan 26 assembly line had to be stopped for a week.
Okay, now I want to explain about problem faced by Toyota is quality control issue. The first point is rapid global expansion. Toyota is known worldwide for producing high quality and reliable vehicles. However, over the last decade, Toyota faced quality control issue mainly due to its rapid global expansion. As the company increased production in many countries, it became more difficult to maintain the same strict quality standard across all factories. Second point is inconsistent supplier quality. In addition, Toyota depends on many suppliers from different regions. Some of these suppliers fail to meet Toyota's specific standard, which causes inconsistency in parts quality. As the result, vehicle performance sometimes change from one market to another. Second is solution to solve the problem, improve manufacturing and supplier quality Toyota. The first point is improve testing and inspection. Toyota should also improve its testing process, especially for vehicles with advanced electronic and software. Spending more time on a real-world driving test helps identify hidden issues early before the mass production begins. Second point is use of advanced technology. Another important solution in investing in advanced technology, automated inspection machine and computer system can detect defect quickly and accurately. Real-time monitoring allow the problem to be fixed immediately before they become serious.
This slide explains the second problem faced by Toyota, which is cultural and organizational resistance to change. Toyota strongly relies on the Toyota Production System (TPS) and Kaizen. Although these systems have been very successful, they can make the company more cautious and slower in adopting new digital technologies. Toyota also has a traditional work culture that values hierarchy and stability. This can limit flexible and cause employees to resist new ideas and digital systems, especially in areas like automations and electric vehicles. As a result, decision making and communication are slow since approval often goes through many management levels. This reduces Toyota's ability to respond quickly to market changes. Because of this, Toyota becomes less competitive compared to fast-moving EV firms that adopt innovation more quickly. To solve this problem, Toyota needs to build a flexible and learning-oriented environment where employees are encouraged to learn new skills and adapt to change. Toyota should also promote open communication so employees feel comfortable sharing ideas and feedback. Another solution is to modernize leadership styles, moving away from strict hierarchy toward more collaborative leadership. Finally, Toyota can introduce structured incentives to reward innovation, digital adoption, and creative problem solving. Overall, this solution will help Toyota reduce resistance to change and improve competitiveness in the rapidly evolving automotive industry. Next, I will explain how Toyota applies management tools and methods. First, let's look at planning. Planning is the process of setting goals, developing strategies, and creating actions planned to achieve long-term objectives, usually over a period of 2 to 5 years. Toyota's planning process includes defining its missions, visions, and values, conducting a SWOT analysis, forecasting future performance, assessing competitors, setting goals, and developing action plans. In terms of Toyota's strategic plan, the company mission is producing happiness for all with strong emphasis on customers, quality, safety, and sustainability. Toyota's vision is to enhance mobility and create new possibilities for humanity. Its core values include challenge, kaizen, genchi, genbutsu, respect, and teamwork, which guide decision-making across the organizations. is developing forecasts. Toyota use both quantitative and qualitative forecasting methods. For the quantitative, Toyota analyze historical sales data such as selling about 10.82 million vehicles in 2024 and project future sales of around 10.4 million vehicles by 2026. However, for the qualitative, Toyota studies market trends, technology developments, regulations, and consumer behavior. For the example, Toyota focus on the growing demand for electric vehicles, hybrid models, and key markets such as China and Southeast Asia. By combining both methods, Toyota can better plan production, R&D, and long-term strategy. Moving on to assessing competitors, Toyota continuously monitors major rivals such as Volkswagen, Hyundai, Tesla, and BYD. This helps Toyota understand market demand, adjust its sales forecast, and refine its strategies. Toyota also focuses on innovation in hybrid EVs and quality to remain competitive in the global automotive market. Now, let's look at the SWOT analysis. Toyota's strengths include its strong focus on research and development and the Toyota production system, which emphasize efficiency and continuous improvement. However, Toyota also faces weaknesses such as quality control issues and cultural or organizational resistance to change. In terms of opportunities, Toyota has untapped potential in the Asian market and can improve the timing and frequency of new model releases. Lastly, threats include increasing global competition and economic or political instability in international markets. Finally, Toyota focuses on establishing goals, objectives, and action plans. Its long-term goals include growth, innovation, and global competitiveness. Short-term objectives focus on increasing market share, especially in emerging regions. To achieve this, Toyota invests in R&D for EVs and self-driving cars, launches market-specific models, optimizes production using the Toyota production systems, and Kaizen, and promote sustainability and advanced technologies.
Okay, now I want to explain about Employee Management Tools and Method. Is a POLC for organizing a standardized factory and supply organization. Toyota organizes its factory and supplier to ensure consistent quality across all locations. This is done by using standard procedures and every plan and giving clear instruction to workers. Job design and team structure within the company. Toyota redesign job and team responsibility to support new technology and automation. Toyota use a cross-functional team made up of workers from engineering, production, quality control, and logistics. For the leadership at Toyota focus on inspiring employees and helping them adapt to changes in technology and production methods. Toyota leader guide worker by following the Toyota production system is the TPS and the principle of Kaizen, which mean continuous improvement. For the control at Toyota refer to how the company make sure that all activity are carried out according the brand standard and objective. It also involves taking corrective action whenever problem occur. The Toyota conduct regular quality audit at both its factories and supplier facilities. This audit help ensure the quality standards are constantly followed across all locations and prevent defect from reaching the customer.
Conclusion: in this management analysis tools are crucial for effectively assessing risks and opportunities. They help companies identify internal weaknesses and external threats early. It is precisely because of this timely understanding of weaknesses that Toyota has been able to implement alternative or improvement strategies and transform these challenges into new strengths and opportunities, thereby ensuring long-term sustainable development and competitiveness. That's all. Thank you.